The DeWalt electric job site pressure washer is perfect for cleaning tools and equipment, decks, siding, sidewalks, boats, outdoor furniture, and vehicles. This powerful pressure washer gets up to 2100 PSI and 1.2 GPM to cover a full range of outdoor projects. It's super compact and so much more portable than pretty much anything else out there. It only weighs 24 pounds, making it super easy to carry along with you or pull on its wheels. The whole unit is self-contained in a sturdy frame to keep it protected from impact and to make the unit stackable. It's also flat on every side so you can store it vertically, horizontally, upside down, whatever you need to maximize your space. The handle extends out from the back so you can wheel it around wherever you need to go, or walk it along with you if you're cleaning a large area. Then when you're done, the hose fits securely underneath the handle for the most convenient transportation option. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is the internal storage compartment on the side of the unit. This conveniently stores all the necessary attachments like the wand, nozzles, and extensions in one place so you can easily access them on the job. This pressure washer comes with a few different attachments to adapt to a variety of cleaning projects. The kit includes a 25-foot high-pressure kink-resistant hose, a turbo nozzle for up to 2.4 cleaning width, a 15-degree and 40-degree nozzle for different detail applications, a soap nozzle, the wand sprayer head, and a built-in removable soap tank for projects that require detergent. The sprayer head has a built-in storage for all different nozzle attachments, so you can easily switch them out on the spot and continue spraying. The DeWalt pressure washer can clean surfaces up to 35 feet away for long-range washing. The power and convenient design of the pressure washer make it great for any size cleaning project. We would love to see a cordless version of this unit, but for now, you'll still need to find an outlet. What are your thoughts on the new DeWalt job site pressure washer? Is it powerful enough? What other improvements would you make, or have they nailed it? Let us know. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment, or give us a call, or send us an email, or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
Hot boy summer.